As you see guys, that the Bitcoin daily candle here, it finished. Today Bitcoin gave us here another sideways day to be like that. Yesterday we entered a long tail here. We entered today a short as you see it here. And now we enter another long because we're playing with the market. Market doesn't got any volume and also we are stuck here in that zone as you see it there. So all the week and we are in the same level, no volume that the Bitcoin those days guys. By the way guys, we want that video to reach to 300 likes. Yes my friend, and no those days you don't support in us and no and I fail you, there is no moves in the market. So please my friend, yes you watching me now, please smash that like button which is down. It will not take you that much, just 1 second from your time and it meant a lot to us. You done it? Thank you very much. And you, if you are not subscriber, make sure subscribe to our channel and turn the bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. Or you can even join our VIP Discord where we give a long-term swing trading and day trading signals. Also yesterday guys, we left you here or we give you here, as you remember, we told you we enter a long in Bitcoin. What happened to that long? Look at it guys. It hit in the first take profit as you see it here. The one here, it's hitting for us the first take profit. We're moving stop loss to entry point, so we're being risk free. Then what happened today? In the morning, we saw the Bitcoin giving us an entry short. We enter in it. What happened to that short guys? It hitting for us the first take profit as you see it here. We move stop loss to entry point. Then we gave other short and other shit coins as we tell you that those days. As you see it here, we enter in action USDT. It's hitting for us the first take profit. We're making from it, actually from that trade, more than 100% profit. Then we enter another short in that one here. The one it's not yet hitting for us the first take profit. As you see it, that the action is hitting for us the first take profit. I'm talking here about short and shit coins. Now what happened? The Bitcoin gave us another entry to enter a long. We enter another entry long. As you see it here, we take 25% profit from that long of us. Till now we're still holding our long and we're still going with it. So if you are interested my friend to those type of signals and you want to make money with professional people, that the job of them, even in those sideways days, we're making money. The link of our Patreon is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Click at it, you're going to land here in Patreon. Click at join, finish payment process. Inside Patreon there is a video going to show you all the steps till you're going to be in our VIP Discord. And believe me my friend, within one signal you're going to back that $25 you're going to pay to join us. But it's up to you. And if you're facing any problem to join us my friend, you can text me here in Patreon, in the free Telegram, in the free Discord. All the links are down in the description of that video. And we're going to solve your problem no matter what is it. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, the Bitcoin is staying here. You remember what I told you in yesterday's video? We told you we got here an inside bar based on that red candle here. We told you it's need either to be broken above for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go back to 106k, or it's need to break down here for us to know the Bitcoin is going to fall down to that low here, 90k or 91k. Till now also we staying here sideways. There is no clear direction guys, and the big dilemma for Bitcoin those days, there is no volume. That's the big problem for Bitcoin those days, there is no volume guys. Majority of retail investors, I feel sorry for them. They go to those shit coins, they thinking they are going to turn $100 to 1 million, and majority of them they're losing. Believe me my friend, shit coins are only for shorting them. The only thing we're going to stay in that market is Bitcoin. The rest, all of them, they are going to be diminished. There is no good project or bad project. project. The only good project in the cryptocurrency is Bitcoin. The rest, all of them, they are scamming you. Believe it, don't, is up to you. I know I'm going to receive a lot of criticism about that, but believe it or not, my friend, the only good project in the cryptocurrency world is Bitcoin. The rest, all of them, they are shitcoins. But it's up to you. Another thing we got here in Bitcoin, guys, let me show it to you. Is it that one here? Bitcoin is still stuck here between the 50 moving average above and down the 100 moving average. So also we still stuck here. And that we explain to you why also spending all the week here. Now either the Bitcoin is going to break and we're going to fall down to 79k if we break in that 100 moving average with white, or there is a green candle going to come and to break for us above and we're going to go back to 106k. Everything is possible, guys. Based on the Bollinger Band here, we show it to you in yesterday video. We told you it's going to give us here a bottleneck here, like how it happened here, like how it happened here in all those places, and that it followed by a squeeze. So those big players, they try to manipulate in that market, but long-term investors that will left those days in that Bitcoin, guys, those ones, they are not going to sell their Bitcoin. If it dump, we're going to buy it again from down. That's what us we're doing every time. If you want to dump it, dump it. It's going to be very good for us, and we are going to buy Bitcoin at a discount. So I think I explained everything. As I tell it to you, if you want to benefit from our signals, you can join us. Now let's go to see Bitcoin ETF, liquidity heat map, and the coming news. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin ETF. And yesterday, what happened, guys? Look at it. All of them, they sold. All of them. BlackRock, Fidelity, ARK Investment, BITB, Bitco. The only one who buy is it Grayscale Mini, and they haven't buy a lot, only 170 Bitcoin. So those ones, they fell in now the heat. They started feeling it. And there is no one making the problem for Bitcoin those days out from them. I mean, I don't blame no one, only those ETF. Those ones, they being yelling those days, they telling you the ETFs, they came, look what they do to the market. Now here for today, same thing. Grayscale, they sold 70 Bitcoin. BITB, they sold 160 Bitcoin. EasyBC, they sold 85 Bitcoin. At this time when also we're recording, minus 316 Bitcoin being sold today. We don't got the data of BlackRock, Fidelity, and ARK Investments. We need to wait to see them what they do, and even them they are going to be sold. Now let's go to see liquidity heat map, what's happening today. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the liquidity heat map. We got stop losses above here and down here, and all of them they are going to be liquidated. The only place we got in it a lot of stop losses above here. You remember in yesterday what else we told you when we move from here from 24 hours to weekly? We told you we got a huge number of stop losses here. We reached till here, guys, yesterday, but we couldn't liquidate them. Now even today we're trying to go back to that level here because we still have a divergence, guys, and me, I'm still waiting the Bitcoin to reach between 99k till 100k to liquidate all those stop losses here. That's my view personally, guys, because there is nothing down here and who's going to push it down? That's the only things I can tell you. Now is going to see the coming news of today, so let's go in there to see it. Here we are, guys, the coming news of today. That's the news we got. We got the core retail sales or retail sales of USA is going to come at 1:30 GMT time. So you need to be careful about that one. Over here is our friend, the table of us. Us, we're looking at it every day here in that channel, guys. As you see it, what it's telling us. All US market or US indices, all of them, they are green today. Nasdaq, SP 500, Dow Jones, everything is green. Our friend the VIX, as you see it, guys, fair and scarce, it's still at its place, 15.10. That means there is nothing to be worried about. Just hold your crypto, just hold your Bitcoin, and even your stocks. There is nothing, no fear, no greed. Market is neutral, so we're still going to pump, guys. That's my view personally. Now let's go into see Bitcoin is doing today in 12 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are in Bitcoin in 12 hours, guys. Here's Bitcoin. He couldn't break above. And may I tell you that I told you no matter how long also we are below those moving averages like that or between those moving averages like that, there is no move. Till we got a clear picture, guys. Either the Bitcoin to break down here and we're going to fall down, or to break above here that 50 moving average and we're going to go more higher. And look at those moving averages, what they're telling you, guys. They're telling you also we are in a sideways level. Yes, after some time in sideways, we're going to see some moves, but at this time when also we record then, and even the coming week, and we don't know when is it the real move is going to happen, we're still sideways, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. The levels you need to look close at them here in the Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. Still have the same levels, that 98k level, 102 603, and that level where we got down here 95 486. That level it's been holding the Bitcoin for some time now. Let's see how long it's going to hold, guys. That the only things I can tell you now. The problem of Bitcoin those days, we don't got a lot of long-term investors. Majority of them are just day traders and scalpers. Those ones they put in stop losses here and here, so we don't got volume to move the Bitcoin big up or down. For the Bitcoin to fall down, we need to see a major thing happening, like MicroStrategy bankrupt or a big exchange or something like that for the Bitcoin to dump. That's the first thing. Second thing, for the Bitcoin to pump, we need to see a major thing. So this time there is nothing, guys. We're still waiting till the mercy came. Now let's going to see the XRP, what it's doing today in daily and in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are in the XRP, guys. Here the XRP today, he tried to pump. We still have here a wall at 2.65. Exactly here we got the 50 and the 20 moving average. Let's see how the XRP going to react here. Either it's going to break them or from here it's going to dump again. Me personally, at this time I don't got a clear picture here in daily. We still have here the downtrend here. We're still far away from it. We need to break those moving averages and we break above here for us to know the XRP is going to go more higher. For short, I tell you that one here, I showed it to you before. I told you like that. It's need that one to give you here a big double top and to break here for the XRP to fall down to 1.38. So this time also we still waiting. We don't got a clear direction here in the XRP. We still have a wall in the top and a wall down here. So we need to break one of them for us to know the correct direction. Now let's go into see the XRP what it's doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here in 4 hours, guys, we saw some things happen here. As you see it, the XRP started pumping, and may I tell you how to catch it? I've been showing you that one here. I told you got here a head and shoulder, something like that. Look at it. It came, he touched here the 100 moving average. I tell someone of the people they follow me to buy the XRP from here, but that one is just for day trading. I told them to put stop loss here. Look at that where it reached now. And now what the view, either from here is going to touch that 100 moving average, then after to dump, or is going to break above. But here in 4 hours we don't got a clear direction, guys. Look at it here. I'm still to my word. If we're looking like that without those moving averages, me I tell it to you before, I came and show you like that, and I told you got here like a symmetric triangle. That symmetric triangle is getting broke here. Look at it. Now the view for that one is going to go back to that zone here, exactly at 2.80. Then after that you're going to see what's going to happen in the coming hours. So I think I explained everything, guys. Now let's go into see the Ethereum we're doing today in 4 hours. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys. Here in the Ethereum it's still struggling here. Like that, we show you that one here. We told you we got here a symmetric triangle. It's need to be blocked here for us to know that the Ethereum is going to go more higher. But that is good news, guys, because after that falling knife, now also we saw in here that bouncing here from the floor. That means there is no more power to push it more down. Now either that bouncing here it just a resting. Then after that, we're going to see the Ethereum falling down, or that one here is a reversing pattern. How you going to catch it? You came like that and down here like that, guys, and you waiting. If it's breaking here, that's when a candle to come to close above the downtrend here, you can catch a long. If it's breaking down here, you can catch a short. That's the only things I can tell you. Now let's go to see the Ethereum we're doing today in daily, guys. So let's go in there. Here, the Ethereum in the daily, guys, we're still in a downtrend. People that with me, they remember what me I told you. I told you also we buy the Ethereum. We're aiming from the low of the channel here till the top of it. Then after that, we're going to short it again, because Ethereum those days, that owner of it or CEO of it or creator of it, what can we say? He's the most baddest person. Every time he saw the Ethereum pumping, he sold. That way us, even we're just going to go with a tail here, then after that we're going to dump it again. That's what we're doing now those days, because those projects, all of them, they are manipulated. You want us to invest in something which is manipulated by a human being like us? No, of course not. That's my view personally, guys. Now let's go into see our indicator we're saying today here in the Ethereum. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, he entered here in yesterday to that zone here, or the place where is the boost the controlling. Also we're thinking we are going to pump again, but very quickly go back down here. That's why there is no power, guys, no bulls. And that's why us every time we're telling you, if you want to make money with that mad market like that, you can join our VIP Discord. Of course, if you are interested, my friend, the link is down in the description of that video and in the first comment. And believe me, when I told you going to make money with professional people, that's the job of them. Now here we don't got nothing extra. Now let's go into see it Bitcoin we're doing today in 4 hours, guys. So let's go in there. Here we are, guys, in the Bitcoin here in the 4 hours. We're still waiting. We told you like that. We got here that down channel here. We show you that one a lot of times here. We told you the Bitcoin is going to go to touch the top of it, but there is no power to push it more higher. So it's look like we are going to stay like that till we touch in here. Then after that we are going to dump. Even that one, it's possible, guys. Everything is possible those days. What we got here in the Bitcoin, because that very important question, guys. Here you got that zone here. Look at it, guys. That one here in the top, and down here you got that one here like that. You see it now here in 4 hours. How is it, guys, or no? Very clear. 2 zones, one in the top, one down. What you need to do every time you touch in the top one, try to short it. Every time try to touch the lower one, try to find the entry long. That's what us we do in those days, guys. Yes, we saw those spikes, but those ones just tells to head stop losses there. That's it. Bitcoin, it will not go to nowhere all that month here sideways like that, unless if something very major happening. That's how you're going to catch the long if it's going to happen. It's need the Bitcoin to come to break here for us to know the Bitcoin is going to go more higher. For the short, you can come and do something like that, like how I show you in yesterday, because if you come and you do it like that, guys, what you see in now, look at it. You got here a symmetric triangle, very clear symmetric triangle here, and that one will show you how you're going to catch it, either above or down here, and it's working with that 50 moving average above and 100 down here. Now we got something else here in Bitcoin. Let me show it to you. Is it that one here? That 20 and 50 moving average, they reacted like a very stronger resistance. Every time we came to them, then we fall down. Now we came back to touch them again. Let's see if we are going to break them and we are going to go to touch that 100 moving average. That number one scenario. Second scenario, we're going to fall down again. Even that one, it's possible. But the good news here for Bitcoin, even when it's falling down, there is no power to push it more lower, guys. No one is selling. It's only market makers they play in those days. So I think I explained everything. Now let's go into see our indicator we're saying today here in Bitcoin in 4 hours. Our indicator, guys, as you see it, till now we couldn't came in a clear bull market here. Based on our indicator, every time we touching that wall here and we bouncing down, that man bears they want the Bitcoin to fall down more, but when they're reaching to that low here, no power to push it more low. So Bitcoin is going to go back above, but when we need volume, guys. That's the only things I can tell you. Based on the sentiment now, we are in that zone where there is no one need to trade at that time. So I think I explained everything. Now let's going to see Bitcoin we're doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes, guys. Over here, yesterday market gave us here a small double top here in 5 minutes. We enter a short, till down here it's hitting for us the first take profit. Today we've been waiting here in that place here. It gave us here like a small megaphone in 5 minutes. It's breaking here. We enter a long, till now it's not yet hitting for us the first take profit. First take profit of us is it here, but we take 25% here when we're reaching to the middle, because everything can happen those days. Also we tried to catch in profit very quickly. What we got here now, there is one of two, guys. Either the Bitcoin here in 30 minutes going to give us here the one here, look at it, guys. If you can to it like that, what you seeing, either is going to give us a bigger double bottom, guys, and we're going to break in the neckline and we're going to see it Bitcoin pumping very hard. That number one scenario. Second scenario, what is it? We came to the one here like that. You see it, how I draw it from the one here and the one here, and we need to wait a candle to fall down to break it for us to catch another short. That's what us we do in those days. Plus you can come to the top here, the one here, without to go back to the past, and that low here, the one like that, and try to scalp it, guys, or day trade it or name it whatever you want. Look at it, guys. You see now that the difference between us and other people. Some people they showing you Bitcoin is going to pump blah blah. No, my friend, look at it. If you enter a short from here till down here, you enter with us today from here till down here, you enter with us that long from here till the top here. That's what us we do in those days. Bitcoin, it's not going to nowhere, guys. So try to make money from it. Why should you wait till the Bitcoin started trending? And that way us we telling you every time, if you want to make money with professional people, that's the job of them. And believe me, you will not regret when you join us. Link is it down in the description of that video and in the first comment. Now let's see our indicator, what it's saying today, guys. Our indicator, guys, as you see, it started turning green here. Atman, technically we need to start looking to enter a short, but me I'm still believing it's going to go back till here, and from there we're going to try to catch a short. That's what us we do in those days. We're making money from it no matter where it's going. So that's it for that video, guys. And please, my friend, if you like our content and you like our videos, make sure to smash that like button, write down a comment, and if it's possible, you can even share that video in any social media platform you like. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.